and welcome to my channel. That was extra. Hey lovebugs, welcome to my channel. I am here to do a haul with you today, and this haul is going to be from Hush.com. I was so excited to do this haul. I was so excited to shop there. I'd heard so many things about them and with some things that I wanted to get for specific reasons. But let's go ahead and dig into what I got. I got some palettes, y'all. I've heard so much stuff about them, and I believe these palettes are dupes for something. I can't remember. It'll pop up at the bottom if I remember exactly which dupe each of them are. And I will also have the price for these below. This one, look at that for this price. Look how pretty this is. Like, some high ends don't even look this pretty, honey. Like, wow. It even has a mirror, y'all. Look at this. And they have names. What you mean to tell me for that price I get these eyeshadows? It's cute. Sometimes you do not have to go high end to get what you're looking for. Let's not speak too soon. Let's swatch. Ooh, they look so pretty though. Oh my gosh. So you got a lot of shimmers in here. And you got about 4 mattes. So let's try Celestial. Let's try that. Stop. You lying. You lying. You see that? You're not telling the truth. Alright. Red Giant. What a name. That's this one. What a name. Let's put it right next to it. Oh! Y'all! It's time to dig in these puppies, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm too excited. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I heard things. I was like, yeah, it's probably cool. You know how sometimes you get and it's like, you're like, oh wow, that is nice. But this is like, wow. Wow. I want to try Solar, which is like this burnt orange gold color. Oh! This. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is Bad Habit Supernova. That is this palette. It's so pretty. Look how they packaged it. So pretty with the little bubble wrap. Very packaged it very well. It's Solis. Look how oh my goodness. This also has a mirror. This is giving me all types of summer vibes. I'm gonna go in with Soul, which is like this one. Ooh. I want to go in with that bright yellow, that summer, because, you know, not all palettes have yellow, and yellows that are very pigmented. That is a pretty, it's like a, yeah, that's a pretty yellow. It comes off super yellow on the camera, but it's a mustard yellow. Winter. Okay, this is my biggest thing for me. I gotta see, because I have issues with palettes that has a white. I don't know if you've ever seen them. They're like white, and then when you swatch them, they come up like a gold color, or like a yellow color, or a cream color, or a beige color. No, sweetheart, you're white. I want white. So, fingers crossed. Let's see. Y'all, look. It's white. It's W-H-I-T-E. White. I'm sorry if I seem real extra in this video, but I am being real. I am stoked. I am excited. I am surprised. I am taking back. Usually when you see this and you see a nice one, all the money went into the case in it. But to see that I also get these shadows for this price, I'm just thrown. I'm just being honest. I'm just shocked. You're just seeing a real true reaction. We're unboxing these together. So these brands are all Bad Habit, so I'm like, who's Bad Habit? And I gotta find you, and I gotta buy everything that you have. These are the dupes for the Huda beauty palettes. I literally bought this. I'm not even going to lie. I bought this palette knowing that I was going to get the dupe for it. I don't like to spend over $50 for my palettes, personally. I only bought this to do the dupe to see, you know, how does it compare, and do you need to spend $65 when you can spend this? I use this palette for everything, okay? Like, I just do. I use this for my contour. And I use this for like my blush. Like, you see how much I use this? And I've done so many looks with this. This is by far my favorite palette, by far, and that says a lot. And I would normally never spend $65. I never spend full price on anything. I'm always getting a sale, so I know I got this for sale. I don't know how much last it was, but I didn't pay $65. But I love that palette. So these are supposed to be the dupes for the Huda Beauty palettes. So let's see what they look like. This one is Aphrodite. So I'm guessing that this one is the dupe for the other Huda Beauty palette. Look at these colors. Like, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Lust, which is that one. Yes. Flirt, which is like this bright pinky one. That's pretty as well. I want to try Adore. You see Adore here? Okay, that's pretty. It has like a glitter to it. This Crush is calling me because it's like a pinkish gold, and this will be the last color I will swatch out of this palette. Oh, that's really gorgeous. So these colors are really gorgeous and amazing, as you can see. Like, I can't wait to do a look with all of these palettes. This one is Athena, and this one is supposed to be the Desert Dusk palette dupe. Of course, we are about to put this to the test. I really am curious, especially now that that's my favorite palette. I'm really curious, and I'm pretty sure I will be able to tell if it is a true dupe. So once again, the packaging is gorgeous. Huda Beauty packaging is also pretty gorgeous. The packaging is gorgeous. Okay, but she was 65. I opened this and I'm like, I'm sorry. I'm like, this really looks like it. This really, the placing is different, but by me wearing this all the time, I know what is what. Like, I really do. This is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm really excited about this. I really am, y'all. I'm just, I know I have to calm down my hype because sometimes I get a little too amped up. Okay. So, Retrograde is Gleam. So we're gonna go in with Retrograde from Huda. Okay, I'm sorry. Gleam is at the top, which is wow. And Retrograde is at the bottom. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go in with a color I use a lot. Twilight. And for them, it's called Epic. Okay, what I noticed immediately is the Athena palette is smoother. Do y'all hear me? The Athena palette is smoother. But what it is because they have a little bit more flakes of actual glitter or shimmer in theirs. So once again, the top here is Athena and the bottom is Huda. Do you see that? The color that I use for my contour, I really want to see. I don't think that one's gonna match, but I want to see. OUD for Huda. Clever for Athena. As you can see, this is OUD from Huda. This is OUD from Huda. And this is Clever. Can you see that? So it's, to me, like looking at it, it's spot on. It's smoother too. Let's do Prize from Athena, which would be Turkish Delight. Prize from Athena is more pigmented. It is the top is Athena and the bottom is Huda. You see how their swatches from Athena seem smoother? Like, really, it does. And I'm only going to do one more color from this, and I'm going to do one of my favorite colors, which is Cosmo from Huda. And for them is Daring. So, can you see? So, This one is Cosmo. And this one is Daring. I'm not gonna lie, Daring was a bit prettier because it has an addition color. It's almost like a reddish color, so it has more than what Cosmo has. I'm so excited about this. I'm so happy because that means that y'all can go out and get this for this price and get the same. I love Huda, don't get me wrong, but I mean, if you can save coins, why not? But I want y'all to know there is going to be a look with this. I am going to do one side Athena, one side Huda. I will be doing a look on that very soon, so you want to stay tuned for that. I do have one last thing that I did get. I love Too Faced. I know I mentioned that in like all my videos because I literally have a Too Faced obsession. So when I saw this, it really reminded me. Come on. It says Sugar. Now this is not from Bad Habit. This is from Face Candy. This is what the box looks like. Is this not the peach palette, y'all? Is this not the peach palette? Is it not? It looked like the peach palette to me. Here's my peach palette. I love this palette. My husband went through the hoops to get me this palette when it first came out. Everybody and their mother got this palette and we could not get it. He found out when they get new shipments in and everything, and he went and he got this palette for me, and that was lovely. I have to smell it every time I open it. It smells like peaches. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and compare to Sugar. Sugar is also so pretty. Sugar does not have a scent, but it is also very, very pretty. And once again, I can tell the placements of the shadows are in a different area. The colors are similar, as you can see. Can you see them? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's try Peach Palettes Talk Derby to me, which is one of my favorite colors in this palette. It's like a deep purple with some sparkles in it. Okay, it's called Blueberry Pie. And I'm just going to put it right next to it. So this one is Sugar and this one is the Peach Palette. The Peach Palette looks like it may be more pigmented due to my swatch. The next color that I'm going to do, I'm going to see this green, which is Tempting in the Peach Palette, and Licorice in the Sugar Palette. So Peach Palette, Sugar Palette, just slightly lighter. It's so far they're just slightly lighter. Let's do Candy Peach. And I'm going to swipe theirs. It's just called Candy. And theirs look better, to be honest. Here's Candy Peach from the Too Faced, and here's Candy from Sugar. So these are all very pigmented, though. They're very, very close, if not spot on. So that's amazing. I mean, the Peach Palette, I believe, is either $40 or $50. I think it's $50, though. I think it's $49.99 compared to this palette. So I'm definitely going to do one side with the Peach Palette and one side with the Sugar Palette. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on so that when my videos go up, you know it. You're notified. I'm really excited to try out these palettes and compare and do full-on looks for you guys. So please, please keep your eye out for that. I want to thank you all for taking the time out of your day and spending it with me. You could have been anywhere in the world and you chose to be right here with me, and I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, love bugs, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
What's your name?